Hello guys, this is Charlie D right here. It is Saturday, March the 9th, 2019, and the time is about 10:45. I was wanting to show you guys something I think may be an engineering flaw that led to this failure of these bearings. If you look, the bearings over here are the ones that failed. These ones over here were in fair shape. They were scored up because the other one spun and were vibrating around. But if you look at the cross section up here, for some reason there's a cross cut at the top, and what that does is that lets oil pressure out. Same with this one. Now the reason why that's important is this kind of runs in series, and I'll try to show you what I mean by that. The oil pressure comes into these two bearings here, okay? Take note of that. The bearings come into these two bearings here. I'm doing this on the floor, by the way. Yes, ignore my messy garage. Here's the countershaft housing. I took the bearings out. Now I'm trying to okay, we're on the right hand side. That's where the oil pressure comes in. These bearings are in good shape. Oil pressure feeds through those bearings and all the way into this, and then it goes into this hole right here, through this passage, and then there's a passageway right here, comes up and out and feeds these bearings. Now that doesn't work too good if it's, you've seen on the upper end of this plate, there's a cross section cut here and here. That relieves oil pressure, that releases oil pressure. So part of me thinks that's part of a flaw that should possibly be addressed, because what that's doing is that lets oil pressure, lets it out, which I think is a very, 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 very bad idea. So if I ever work on another one of these, on one of my other cars, what I'm considering doing is quite possibly where those little cross cuts are, maybe clean it out really good and put a small bit of JB Weld or some type of sealant up in there, because you don't really want that. What that does is that it takes oil pressure from here. It takes oil pressure from these two bearings on the countershaft. So I don't know why they did that, but you can see that that's where the oil feeds. This is on the right hand side. It comes down here and it comes back up right there. So I don't know why they did that. But anyways, I thought I'd share that with you guys if you're interested. I don't know if they've done away with those little cross cuts, but that isn't necessarily the problem, but that would definitely be a contributing factor to this problem. So anyhow, I guess that's all I have for you guys. Charlie D right out.